Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a bubble maker at home. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You'll need 4 cups of warm water, 1 cup of dish soap, and either 1/2 cup of sugar or 1/3 cup of glycerin. For tools, grab a mixing bowl, a spoon, and some materials for your bubble wand. These common items are easy to find around your house or at any local store, making this a fun and affordable activity. Now, let's create our amazing bubble solution. In a bowl, carefully combine 4 cups of warm water with 1 cup of your favorite dish soap. Next, for extra strong, long-lasting bubbles, stir in either 1/2 cup of sugar or 1/3 cup of glycerin. Remember to mix gently to prevent too much foam. For the very best results, let your solution sit for at least a few hours or even overnight to allow the ingredients to fully combine. No store-bought wand. No problem. Making your own is super easy. You can bend a pipe cleaner into a simple circle, leaving a straight section for a handle. Another fun option is to connect 2 drinking straws to create a figure-8 shape. For really big bubbles, try cutting the bottom 2 to 3 centimeters off a plastic water bottle. These homemade wands work wonderfully and add a personal touch to your bubble-blowing fun. It's time for the exciting part, blowing bubbles. Dip your chosen wand into the solution, making sure the entire loop is completely coated with the mixture. Then, with a gentle and steady breath, blow through the wand to release a stream of shimmering bubbles. For even better performance, consider using distilled water in your solution. Letting the mixture sit overnight also helps create stronger, more impressive bubbles. Enjoy your homemade bubble magic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.